I've got two words for you: grilled cake. If you've never grilled cake before, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Now, I'm not talking about making a cake from scratch and then grilling it, but you could do that if you really want to. What I'm talking about here is using a store-bought cake. Today, I'm going to be using this Angel Food cake loaf. We're going to cut it into slices, grill it up, and we're going to top it with something delicious that I'm going to show you right now. I told you this was going to be simple. Every little bit of this is simple. What we have here is about 3 cups of chopped up strawberries. They're not, diced or anything. They're just sort of rough chopped. They're just chopped into pieces about this size. Now to this bowl of strawberries, I'm going to be adding a 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And all we're going to do now is just mix this up. Get all these pieces of strawberry coated with sugar. Just like that. Now we're just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, maybe the juice of like a 1/4 lemon. We're not going to squeeze it all out of this half lemon. Just give it another little stir. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover this, put it in the refrigerator for a while we get our grill going. What that sugar and that lemon juice is going to help do is create a glaze on the outside of these strawberries so that when we put it on our grilled cake, it's going to have all those juices already on the surface. It'll soak in. Okay, our grill is hot. Let's get this cake on there and get a nice crispy outside to it. Got 2 nice thick slabs of that Angel Food cake. Now, if you wanted, you could use pound cake on this, just about any kind of cake you want. I just happen to have some Angel Food that I picked up. We're going to let both sides of this toast up and get a nice little golden brown crust on it. Let's give these a little quick check here. See, it's just starting to toast there. Might have to adjust it. I'm going to rotate this a little bit. Now this is on a bed of charcoal that I already used to cook something indirect, so these coals are slightly used. If you want to have more heat, you could throw some more coals on there. I find this is just about perfect. You just don't want to rush this. Okay, let's see how we're doing now. Oh yeah, look at that nice toasting. Let's turn these over. Looking good. That cake smells amazing on the grill. Those sugars getting caramelized on there. Oh, let's just take a quick check, see how we're doing. Just starting to get some brown on there. Okay, let's give these another check here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. See this one? Oh yeah. I think we're ready to get these off and sauce them up for eating. Look at those. Just perfect golden brown. Now it's time for some of these glazed strawberries. Oh yeah. See all that nice juice coming off there? That's soak in here. I'm not shy about putting strawberries on here. I don't care if they fall off. But there's one thing still missing. Some whipped cream. No, I didn't make the whipped cream myself. It's from a can. Don't hate me. I gotta tell you, I'm ready to sit down and eat. This is the kind of dessert I love. Partly made on the grill, with other things just put on top. Sweet, delicious. Let's go. I'm ready. Oh, you might not think it, but that little crustiness you get from grilling the cake, it just does something. The caramelization of the sugar on the outside gives you that extra little burst of flavor. Like, you need more sugar with all this other stuff on it, but it is different. It's a different kind of sweetness with that caramelized sugar. And the juices from those glazed strawberries. I mean, how simple was that? Put sugar on them, a little lemon juice, put them in the refrigerator for a while. all that juice came out, thickened all the sugars, and now it's soaked into this cake. Now, if you use a different cake, like a pound cake, you're gonna get a slightly different result. That has a higher butter content in it, so you're gonna get a little bit more of a crispiness when you leave it over those coals longer. Honestly, I don't think there's a wrong kind of cake you could use in making this. This is just such a great dessert if you're having a barbecue and you get the things done inside that you need to, the strawberries, and then you just throw some cake on the grill. So good, so tasty. If you're making this for guests, they're gonna thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great evening. I'll see you again soon.